So we found this little tray at the thrift store for $3.17, and it turns out it's worth about $45 in silver content. Now when you buy something like this, you might notice something that says weighted on there. Oftentimes you'll see weighted sterling or weighted pewter, and what that means is the base and the stem is filled with something like concrete, maybe even plastic resin, something like that. And so you can't just put it on the scale and weigh it and see how much silver there is. First, you gotta dig out all of the filler material. Once you have all the filler out, you wanna check what kind of silver each piece is, and they might not be the same. We found that this is actually 50% silver, and this is sterling, so 92.5% silver. We did the acid test right here, and I'll show you how that works. I'll show you how the acid test works. I'm just going to scrape our silver on the stone, and I'll scratch another line with the silver in the base. And now we add the acid. This one we know is marked sterling for sure, and we're gonna make this other line as well. And we'll put some acid on this one as well. Here is the top of our dish. It's a brown red color. And then here's the green color of the base of the dish. And this we know for sure is sterling, just using that as a reference. You can see the sterling is a lot brighter. That's how you can see this is lower content. It's an 80%. And then this green right here means the base is a 50%. It's a little bit difficult to see the green. You can see a test I did earlier. It's dried up, and you can see the green is a lot more pronounced. But that's the same thing we got over here. Since the two pieces have different silver contents, we're gonna calculate them separately. And the first one here is 1.03 troy ounces times 50% is the purity level, and that means we have 0.515 troy ounces of fine silver in this right here. In order to get the price of this right here, we just need to multiply it by spot price, which is $22.62 per troy ounce. And this base is worth $11.65. This top half won't quite fit on the scale, so I just have to put this, zero it out, and then I can put it on top, and we get 2.108. So that's 2.108 troy ounces times 80% is purity level of this one, and we get 1.6864 troy ounces of this altogether. And we multiply it by the spot price, $22.62, and this right here is worth $38.15. And altogether, we have $49.80, depending on the spot price, which right now is $22.62. But we got all of that from just $3.17 for this little dish. And if we subtract off that $3.17 that we spent, then we get a profit of $46.63. So if you're at the thrift store and you find some sterling silver, this is a good way to determine how much it's actually worth.